Welcome to this new installment of our tutorial series on NFTs on Solana. Today we will be looking at Quicknode's guide on how to build an NFT gallery using the Quicknode NFT-API. We will be using this knowledge to display the NFTs from the connected browser account through Phantom. Let's go to the guide on how to build an NFT gallery using the Quicknode NFT-API. From this guide, we will be copying the code to create our gallery. Now, in Visual Studio Code, open a folder and start with the first command. Name the app. And from there, press enter to choose just the basics. Use the command remix and service and select TypeScript. Then answer yes to run npm install. Load the folder of our newly created remix project and Tailwind CSS. Then proceed to run Tailwind init. Replace the contents of tailwind.config.js with the code copied from the guide, as shown on the screen. Replace the script parameter in our package JSON with the one provided in the guide, exactly as shown on the screen. Add the import of Tailwind CSS and replace the export of link function constant with the one provided by the guide, like this. Run npm run dev to confirm that everything is correct. Now, let's create a new RPC for Quicknode with the NFT API. Login into quicknode.com. Go to the dashboard. Click Create Endpoint. Select Solana. Continue. Choose DevNet. Select the NFT Mint API DevNet and create the endpoint. Make sure to keep the endpoint handy. Back in Visual Studio, inside the routes folder, create a file called nft.tsx. And start copying the code as the guide suggests. After adding the NFT function, we see that the NFT route is working with the message GM. We copy and paste the remaining code and include these two imports in the following way. We will use the wallet address with which we minted NFTs from our simplepanas collection. And of course, we will include our Quicknode RPC that we just created. Now, when we navigate to the route, we see that our gallery is ready with our beautiful NFTs. We are going to refactor the code we just created to use it to display the NFTs that have already been minted by the wallet connected to our minting page that we created in the previous video, link in the description. To do this, we open our mint NFTs file and start by creating a constant data and its respective function to update it using the useState hook. We will use the useEffect hook, which we need to import, and in it we will make the declaration of the objects with which we will fetch our Quicknode API to get the NFTs from a wallet. Then we'll import the fetch as shown on the screen, but don't forget to update it with our Quicknode URL that we created. We paste this version of the components shown in the gallery we created earlier into the nft.tsx file, just below the UI of our minting page. However, we will use the available style names for this repo. When we run npm run dev and navigate to localhost, we see that our page connects to the wallet and also displays the NFTs from the wallet that we pass as a parameter. Let's change this to make it display the NFTs from the wallet connected to the page through Phantom. We remove the declaration of wallet that we brought from the remix code. We get the public key of the wallet that we had already declared using the useWallet hook, and store it in a constant called wallet address and pass our wallet address as a parameter. We add wallet and wallet address to the list of variables that the useEffect will listen to and add this condition to ensure that the fetch is attempted only when the wallet is connected and wallet address contains a valid public key. Finally, we add this condition to filter the NFTs that will be displayed according to the collection address that we are minting. In this case, we can take this address from the cache file obtained when we created our candy machine in the previous video.
Let's add this condition to display checking NFTs while waiting for the fetch response.
Now, our minting base displays the NFTs that the connected wallet has already minted from the collection we are trying to mint. We want to hear from you with your comments and ideas for future development in this wonderful Web3 world.